Hello, guys. Welcome, buenos dias. It's the 9th of February, and we are in the 5K program where we're trading 5K accounts, a weekly video. I'm broadcasting to you from Quito, Ecuador. I'm back in town, and today's program is going to be pretty special. We're gonna do a little bit different than usually. I'm gonna focus on one specific trade today and one specific strategy. I hope you're gonna like that. So we're gonna go a little bit deeper into one specific strategy of building wealth. I hope you're excited about this. Some secrets about how you can quickly, maybe not so quickly, but efficiently build wealth in your portfolio. And I will share that strategy with you today. And before we go there, of course, I need to show you the disclaimer saying that this video is for informational education purposes only. I'm not giving any advice. I'm educating you how to trade options, how to build wealth, like today, how to trade stocks, how to be a professional trader. And all trading that we're doing here is on paper, and this is on purpose. Before you go and trade your live account, you need to know what you're doing. And what I'm providing here is the service of education. Okay, so if you agree with that, check. And we're gonna move on to the agenda. So today on 5KP, our portfolio is growing very nicely. We're looking for tiny investment opportunities in silver today. So the silver is the key. Silver has been one of the pumped assets recently, the GME story, but silver is a little bit different than GME. GME is just some company which is not making any profits. Actually, it's a business which is going down because it's a retail sales of some games and consoles. People are buying things online these days, so it's running into the risk of obsolescence. However, silver does not. That's a completely different story, and we're going to talk about this a little bit deeper when I move on to the news, to the articles that I want to show you today. So while governments are printing currencies, this metal, which was once used in money, as true money, now also has an enormous potential for growth as commodity. And I put those sentences in here for a reason, because I've been doing a little bit of research myself last week around the metals, around bitcoins and all this crypto boom that is going on right now, gold and so on, and mining. And I came to a conclusion that it would be very cool if we have a little investment in silver. I will share with you why. So before I move on to our portfolio and trades and so on, I want to discuss with you a little bit the topic of building the wealth. And I have a little formula, so it's going to be another slide in here, a little bit of a formula of building wealth, and just a two-step process more or less, so you can understand the idea what I'm going to be doing when we finally go to the portfolio and start trading regarding silver and silver mining. So let's look at that. It's creating wealth with option trading. I'm going to use exactly this strategy. I should put TM in here. I'm going to use exactly this strategy to build wealth with a silver mining company. I don't know if this is going to work out, but I like this strategy. It works out with majority of the stuff that I'm trading. However, this time Hecla is a small company. It's very cheap stock, so we'll see how it goes. And it's big speculation because of mining business. Mining business is something very, very risky, so these companies can go out of business easily if they just don't, they depend on the metals themselves. Obviously the pricing of the metals, they depend on the politics of the companies, of the countries they operate in. They can be kicked out, for example. So it's a huge risk there. You really need to know what you're doing when you're investing in mining companies. However, we're not going to be, let's say, investing too much, so the risk is going to be managed. And potential for growth is enormous. So how do you build wealth? Well, you start with the point one, which is just acquiring an asset at a discount. In our case, it's not going to be silver, it's going to be silver mining company. And what do I mean by saying I'm going to acquire an asset at a discount? Hecla is trading around 650 today. Yeah, something like this per share, so very cheap stock. However, I don't want to buy it at this price because I think, I would like to acquire an asset at a discount. I don't want to buy it right now for this price. I would like a lower price. And there are two methods to getting this at a lower price. If you are an option trader, and only if you're an option trader, you can do that. If you're just buying stocks, you don't have that ability. How do you do it? First, of all, you don't just buy the stock. What you're going to be doing is you sell a cash secured put at a level which is very close to the current trade price. So if it's like 650 right now, okay, if we were trading at this price, how about I offer to buy it at $6 today and collect a little premium for this. So I'm gonna get a premium, okay, which is going to be also a little bit of dollars, let's say $10, $20 of a discount, okay, on the entire trade. So I would have to pay $600 for 100 shares minus 20 of a discount for the promise. Okay, Hekla is trading currently 6.4, so you can just calculate 640, okay, that's $1,280 for owning 200 shares. However, I don't want to pay that much, you know, I don't want to pay $6 for it. So my promise, which I sold, was actually acquiring it for $500, okay? This promise probably is not going to be fulfilled. We're going to be paid already $20 for it, and I sold this promise some time ago. However, today what I want to do is acquire another 100 of those shares, and I want to acquire them right now and get some sort of a discount immediately. So it's trading 640, right? But I want it cheaper. So how about I promise to get them for 600 and with a discount right now, or so selling another put, or I just buy those shares and immediately sell a call on it at the level of let's say 600 or